In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice template in Xero. To follow along, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, the first thing we need to do is head over to the sales area. Look for the main navigation menu, usually running across the top or side of your screen, and click on Sales. This is where Xero keeps everything related to money coming into your business, including your invoices. Once you're in the sales section, find and click on Invoices. This will open a list of all your existing invoices along with options to create new ones. We're not actually creating an invoice right now, but going through this path lets us access the invoice template settings. Next, click on New Invoice. Don't worry, we're not going to send anything to a customer. We're just using this as a quick way to get to the layout and design options that control how your invoices look. On the New Invoice screen, look towards the top right corner for an icon with 3 dots. This is the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This small menu is easy to miss, but it's where Xero hides some of the more advanced controls. From the drop-down that appears, select Invoice Settings. This takes you out of the individual invoice and into the area where you manage your overall invoice templates. Think of this as the control center for how all your invoices are formatted and presented to your customers. You'll now see a list of your available invoice templates. Find the template you want to change, then look for the Options button associated with that template and click on it. This will reveal the actions you can take for that specific layout. From the Options menu, choose Edit. This opens up the editing screen where you can adjust things like your logo placement, business details, payment terms, and other information that appears on every invoice that uses this template. Take a moment to review your details carefully and make any updates you need so the template reflects your brand and current policies. When you're happy with your changes, scroll down if needed and click on Save. This is important because your edits won't apply to future invoices until you save them. After saving, your updated template will be used the next time you create an invoice with that layout, giving your customers a consistent